I want to explain you what are the rational numbers. So in the chapter number system, what are the rational numbers? I am telling you here. So what are the rational numbers? Numbers in the form of P by Q. Numbers in the form of the form P by Q, where P and Q both are integers having no common factor and with one mandatory property, Q is not equal to 0. Numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q both are integers having no common factor. You know well, if two numbers does not have any common factor, that is if their HCF is 1. If no number is common, means only 1 is the number which is common between them. Such numbers are known as the co-prime numbers. So P and Q are co-prime with Q is not equal to 0. Why Q is not equal to 0? Because if Q becomes 0, the result will become not defined, because division with 0 is not defined. So what are the rational numbers? Numbers in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers having no common factor with Q is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. Now one more question, that in class 8th we have calculated the square roots. The square root of 4 is what? 2. The cube root of 8 was 2. But in case of square root of 2, this was the problem in class 8th, that what is the square root of 2? So generally, as it is not a perfect square number, we find its square root with 1 place 1.4, with 2 place 1.41, with 3 place 1.414, with 4 place 5 place. One can calculate, can find the square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 7, square root of 11, or square root of 12, or there are infinite such numbers whose square root can never end and can never terminate. So such numbers which can neither be terminated, can nor repeated, are taken in the another category after the rational numbers, that is what? Category of irrational numbers. So here is the origination of the irrational numbers. These are the irrational numbers. So I will tell you what are the irrational numbers in detail, and with the help of irrational number also, there is one more definition of the rational number can be explained to you.